Well done on making the fantastic decision to get this course. My advice to you now is to get stuck into the 9 hours of excellent lectures that will take you from beginner to advanced in app entrepreneurship, that will take you from developer to app entrepreneur, or if you're outside of the industry, taking you from newbie to advanced in app entrepreneurship. Now, I wish this course had been around when I first started in app creation. I started 5 years ago when I created Slingshot, which was a competitor to Snapchat at the time. I then brought out a better version, and then I brought out a Twitter meets Snapchat app where you could text what you think and it will disappear after an amount of time. And my best app was Slingshot, my Snapchat competitor, which reached #1 in the App Store. It was ahead of everything. It was ahead of Clash of Clans, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Snapchat, Flappy Bird, you name it, I was ahead of them all. And I got to this position completely through marketing once I had my app on the store. And you're going to learn techniques as to how you can market your apps once they are on the store. But overall, this course is going to help you professionalize your app operation in the same way that I did. Now, by completing this course, you are going to have all the skills that will allow you to potentially compete with the big guns in the app industry. We've got Evan Spiegel from Snapchat, obviously one of the biggest messaging apps ever. We've got Kevin Systrom, who created Instagram, arguably the best photo filter app ever. We've got Jan Baum, who created WhatsApp, who sold his app to Facebook for 19 billion. We've got Dong Nguyen, who created Flappy Bird, which made $50,000 a day with in-app advertising. And then we've got Michael Marcos, who created Ketchup, which was sold very recently to Gameloft. So by the end of this course, you will be able to name and form a company. You will be able to implement policies such as privacy policies that will help you if you get into any trouble with user data. You'll also learn in-app purchasing and app advertising. These are the ways in which you can monetize your app and become successful as an app entrepreneur. And then you'll learn how to distribute your app on the App Store and subsequently be able to market that app once it is live and available to download. And you are going to be taught by Brian Surface, who has a hell of a lot of experience in this area. He also has an app business and a load of apps on the iOS App Store. So the best thing that you can do right now is just to start learning. I only wish this had been around when I started up, because I probably would have been in a better position to make the most of the opportunity that I had with my apps. So we look forward to seeing you in the first lecture.